Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the most important topic about the electricity combination of resistors. As we know that resistors, two or more resistors or resistances are connected by two methods. The method first is series and other is parallel. Today we will learn about the parallel combination. How is parallel combination of two or more resistors can be done? We will learn today in this topic. Okay, first of all we need to know what do we mean by parallel combination. Why is it done in domestic circuit? Why is various electrical instruments are connected in domestic circuits in parallel combination? These are the some questions to which we will solve by these combinations. So parallel combination plays very important role in our domestic circuit or in daily life. Okay, so first of all we need to define what we mean by parallel combination. The parallel combination is defined as the method, the process in which two or more resistances are connected between 2 points. These are the here. This is the diagram in which three resistors are connected in parallel. So parallel combination is defined as the combination in which two or more resistors are combined between 2 points of the circuit. Okay, now in such way that it is connected that the potential difference between each and every resistor is same, but amount of flow of current in every resistor is different. So that is the characteristics of the parallel combination. So in parallel combination, what is same? Potential difference remains same. So potential difference here A and B are 2 points in which resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected. So VA minus VB is equal to V connected to the source, electrical source. The total potential difference will be equal to this V in this, and all resistor will receive the same voltage, but amount of flow of current will be different. Today we will, and the equivalent resistance, how can we calculate? The reciprocal of equivalent resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the all individual resistances. So now, and once more point is equivalent resistance decreases in parallel combination. Okay. How can we calculate this expression? We will learn today. We will calculate today. Okay. Now just come to the points. So I is different. Current is VA minus VB. V is same, but I will be different in this. So this is the main characteristics of the parallel combination. Each and every device is connected in this combination will receive same voltage and work efficiently. Okay, smoothly according to this. Once again, if any one of the switch of the resistors is in off position, electrical device is in off position, then other will work properly. So that's why it is used in domestic circuit. It is used in domestic. Resistance decreases, potential difference will be same, amount of flow will be different in each resistors, in each electrical device. And if any one of the device is in off position, so as we desire that instrument will be worked. It depends upon us. So this is very important in domestic circuit. That's why it is done in parallel combination. So how can we calculate? Let us consider, let R1, R2 and R3 are three resistors. Resistances you can also say resistances in parallel combination. So what we see in this, the total voltage V is equal to VA minus VB for all resistors or resistances, because it is same in parallel, and I1, I2 and I3 are currents passing through R1, R2 and R3 resistance. Okay, so how can you calculate? So after that, just try to see here. So total amount of flow of current is I1 plus I2 plus I3. So total amount of current is equal to, divided into three parts, in three resistors. So I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, this is equation 1. By Ohm's law, what it states that, so by Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Supposing Rp is equivalent resistance, Rp is the equivalent resistance of the combination. Now, so similarly, we can write now from equation 1, putting the value of V, I1, I2. What is the I1? So I1 and V each. So V is equal to here I is equal to V by Rp. Now I1 is equal to same voltage V by R1. I2 is equal to same voltage V by R2. I3 is equal to again same voltage by R3. These are the expression of flow of current in each and every resistors. We will putting this value in equation 1. So putting this value, putting I1 here, we can write now. Just see here, V upon Rp is equal to V upon R1 equal to V plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. This outcome. So V is equal to, here now once again write, and R3. So what we see that V and V is cancelled. It is in both sides. So 1 upon Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the expression. How it is derived, just we know here. So okay, so equivalent resistance in parallel combination decreases. So the reciprocal of equivalent resistance in parallel combination is equal to the sum of reciprocal of different individual resistances connected in parallel combination. So it decreases. Rp is less than any other R1 or R2 or R3. Okay, so this is the decreased value. Rp decreases in parallel combination. Now, so if two resistance, only for two resistance, R1 and R2 for two resistance, for R1 and R2, this will be more. So 1 by RP, try to remember here, this equation will be used in various problems to solve various, to get solution of problem R1 plus R2. Now take LCM R1 into R2. Now what will be that? R2 plus R1. Now once again RP is equal to, what is RP? RP is equal to R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. This is the expression for 2. This is expression for 2 resistors. And if number of, say case 1 is that, and if n number, if n is number of resistors, number of identical resistors are connected, then what will be the equivalent resistance of n identical resistance? Okay, now we can write here. So once again 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2. This is up to n time. So what will, all are identical, so put R 1 by R is up to n time. So what we write, 1 by R into n. Just clear, 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 by R into number of resistors. So Rp is equal to R by n. This is the expression for n identical resistors. It is used in domestic purpose for various advantages, and because each and every electrical instrument receives same voltage, and if any one of the resistance or device is in off position, other will work properly, efficiently, and once resistance of the circuit pole connection decreases. That's why it is also used in domestic circuit. Okay, thank you, thanks a lot.